Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Shantina here. So during this social distancing, quarantining because of COVID-19, I have been on a hunt. Okay, I have been on a hunt for a new leave-in conditioner. I've been on a hunt for a new treatment mask, a deep conditioner for my hair. I went on my Instagram and I told you guys that I cut my hair. I cut it for a couple of reasons. Go check that out on my Instagram. If you're not following me there, please do at SIMPLYDIVINECURLS. I put a lot of stuff there before it comes to my YouTube channel, so go check that out. But I did cut my hair. I feel like it's fuller, it's healthier, the curls are more bouncier, and so I was like, you know what, let me give my hair something different. I've been using the same products now for like a year, and although I love those products, they're still in my arsenal. However, I did want to give my hair a little bit more nutrients, a little bit more vitamins straight to my hair. I am still taking my vitamins. I am still taking the collagen, peptides. I'm still doing those things. However, I just wanted to, you know, add something new. So today I did a first impression for you. Okay, so I purchased this Shea Moisture Manuka Honey and Yogurt. Okay, hydrating plus repair protein power treatment. Okay, this is a mask. Let's see, what I do like about this particular mask is that it strengthens and protects extremely dry, brittle hair. And if you're anything like me, since we've been, you know, social distancing and haven't gone out, I've been working from home, you kind of neglect your hair, and it does tend to look dry and brittle, and you know, you really have to be adding moisture and nutrients to your hair daily, and I have been neglecting it. Okay, however, we fall down but we all get up, right? And I have just been in a hunt for something new. So I told you about the Shea Moisture Hydrating Plus Repair Protein Treatment, and then I found this Biotin Conditioner. It is for men and women. It's a volumizing hair conditioning treatment infused with biotin and collagen together with silk and keratin to improve fuller, thicker, and softer hair. This right here, I was like, Biotin conditioner. I know there are a lot of other brands that have biotin in their conditioners and claim to do a lot of growth with your hair. So we're gonna see, okay, what this do. I'm all for some collagen and some biotin, okay, and some moisturizing, and I'm all for that. So today I tried this as my mask, and I tried this as my leave-in. So I went on ahead and washed my hair. I also did a aloe vera gel treatment on my hair, along with this hydrating repair protein power treatment. So when I do first impressions, or whenever I use a product for the first time, I like to use it in the way that I'm gonna use it. I know some people say use it the way that the container says, but everybody here doesn't work the same way. So you have to do things the way your hair wanted to be done. So I went on ahead and did the aloe vera gel treatment on my scalp. And then I went on ahead and put this Hydrating Plus Repair Protein Power Treatment on. And let me tell you, first off, the smell is so good. It smells like, it's like a light honey smell with like a baby powder undertone. I know that may sound crazy, but it's like a sweet baby powder tone. But look, this is so thick. It's very thick, okay? And a lot goes a long way. I did not have to use a lot of this on my hair. I did have to wet my hair a little bit more, and I also added a little bit more aloe vera gel to my hair. Once I did that, I was able to just rake through my hair with this product. It smells so good. It's thick. The price, I can't remember what the price is. I feel like I didn't pay over $14 for this, but I will put a link below where I got it, and I got it off of Amazon because we're all pretty much purchasing off of Amazon these days. So I did purchase this off of Amazon. I will leave a link below, but I will say that I like the way it smells. The price point was good. I like the thickness of it. It is in a little jar. So if you have a lot of hair, like a lot of thick hair, you might go through this jar pretty quickly unless you dilute it down a little bit with maybe some oil, or maybe drench your hair a little bit more, and then it can glide on your hair a little better. But for me, this would be perfect for my hair. So we are going to see what this does for me in the long run. So with this treatment mask, I did it like with any other treatment mask. I went on ahead and put a plastic cap over my head and put my hot head on, and I stayed under the hot head for maybe about 45 minutes to an hour. And when I took it out, listen, the curls was already popping, okay? The moisture was already there. It also brought shine to my hair, so I was like, okay, all right, this might be working for you, girl. So we will see in time if it repairs my hair. Now, my hair is not damaged, but I want to keep my hair in a healthy state, and so therefore we're just going to keep maintaining and doing preventative maintenance, and I'm going to be using this. So I'm going to use this a few more times. I'll check back in, let you guys know how my hair is doing. I'll post pictures on Instagram to show you what my hair is doing after using this product. And then I went on in and used the Biotin Conditioner, and I used this as my leave-in. It says that it's supposed to stay in for 2 to 3 minutes and then rinse. But because of the nutrients that's in this, it has water, moisturizer, okay, aloe vera leaf juice, moisturizer. You guys know I'm all about the aloe vera, okay, and it has a bunch of other like glycerin, you know, that pulls moisture from the air and put it into your hair, so that's a good additive. It has shea butter, it has green tea. And I will say the green tea is definitely, it's not necessarily potent, but you can feel it. And this smells like very, very like earthy. It's like a earthy, woodsy smell, and that's because everything that's in here is really healthy. Okay, it has silk amino acids in it, hibiscus oil, argan oil, like jojoba oil, biotin collagen. This right here has everything that your hair needs in it. So again, I use this as a leave-in conditioner for my hair. I will say that it had good slip. It smells good. The price point, I really can't remember this one. But again, I'll leave a link below to where I got this, and you guys can check it out. I really feel like with all of the vitamins and with all the vitamins and things that's in this particular brand, it could do some good for your hair. So I'm gonna let you guys know how this turned out for me. But I will say, as I was applying it, it felt good, it smelled good. I did my hair yesterday, so this is pretty much my wash and go that I did yesterday, and all I have in here is this as my leave-in. I used an oil, and then I used the extreme gel, tied that all in, and this is the wash and go that I got. I'm gonna say that so far, this brought shine and plumpness to my hair. I feel like my hair is popping. I feel like the curls are popping. My hair is shiny. This is, I guess you can say day 2, or really it's day 1 because I did it last night. I fluffed it out just a little bit, and so far, curls looking good, hair shiny, it feels moisturized, and it feels strong. So I'm gonna say so far, this is 2 thumbs up, but I will let you guys know in the weeks coming, because I'm gonna do this to my hair again next week, okay? So like I said, I am gonna leave these products in the description box. Feel free to go through the description box and purchase these if you want to see how this will work on your hair. So anyway, that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Remember to stay safe, stay home, look after your loved ones, have faith, stay focused, and keep moving forward in a positive direction, forsaking all negativity that tries to invade your space. Until the next video, you guys, I'll see you later. Bye.